Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. You know what's funny? A lot of girls want a guy who makes them feel like the most special woman in the world. But the truth is, men secretly crave that too. They might not admit it, but deep down, every guy wants to feel chosen, appreciated, and adored by the girl he's into. The magic isn't in grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's in the little things that show you see him and value him. The way you make a man feel about himself around you can either make him obsessed or make him pull away. If you know how to tap into his emotions, show him care in ways no one else does, and make him feel like he's your safe space, he won't just stay, he'll cherish you. And today I'm going to give you the exact ways to do that, step by step. So let's get into it. Here's how to make him feel truly special. 1. Admire the things others overlook. Men hear surface-level compliments all the time, about their looks, their height, their muscles. But what makes him feel truly special is when you notice the things most people ignore. Maybe it's the way he talks passionately about something he loves, the effort he puts into work, or even his little quirks. When you highlight those hidden things, you're telling him, I see you in ways others don't. That instantly sets you apart. He'll feel valued not just for what's obvious, but for the depth of who he is. It's validation on a soul level. And trust me, those words will stick with him. He'll replay your compliment in his head over and over, smiling at how deeply you paid attention. That's how you plant yourself in his heart. 2. Celebrate his efforts, not just results. Most men grow up feeling like their worth depends on what they achieve. That's why it hits differently when you appreciate his effort, even if things don't go perfectly. Telling him, I love how hard you tried, or I see how much you care, shows you admire his character, not just his wins. This makes him feel safe around you, because you're not adding pressure, you're giving comfort. Instead of only clapping when he succeeds, you're reminding him that his effort alone makes you proud. That's rare, and it's powerful. Later, when he's working on something tough, he'll think about your words. He'll feel your support echoing in his mind, and that makes him feel like he's not facing life alone. 3. Create your own inside world together. One of the most special feelings for a man is knowing he shares a private little world with you. It can be inside jokes, silly nicknames, or tiny rituals only you two understand. These secret connections become his safe space, something that makes your bond unshakable. It doesn't have to be big. Maybe a funny phrase only you two say, a special song, or even a snack that becomes your thing. To him, it's proof that your relationship isn't generic, it's unique. And men love feeling like they share something with you that no one else does. When he thinks about those little moments later, he'll smile to himself because it feels like you two are in your own bubble. And that bubble, that's what makes him feel chosen. 4. Support his passions, even if they're not yours. If you really want to make him feel special, take an interest in the things that matter to him. Maybe he's into gaming, sports, art, cars, or something you don't personally connect with. The fact that you're willing to listen, ask questions, or even cheer him on makes him feel seen and respected. Men often feel like their hobbies are dismissed, so when you show excitement instead of judgment, it hits him deeply. You're showing him that what matters to him matters to you. That kind of support is unforgettable. He'll never admit it, but later he'll brag about you to others. He'll say, she actually cares about what I love, and that pride will make him want to invest even more in you. 5. Surprise him with thoughtful gestures. It doesn't take a lot to make a man feel special. Small surprises go a long way. Maybe you bring him his favorite snack, send a sweet text out of nowhere, or plan a date around something he loves. These gestures scream, I thought of you, and that melts him. It's not about spending money or going over the top. It's about thoughtfulness. When you give him something personal, it makes him feel like he's not just another guy, he's your guy. And that difference is everything. Later, when he enjoys that snack or remembers your gesture, he'll think about how lucky he is to have someone who goes out of her way to make him smile. 6. Show him affection in unexpected moments. Guys love affection, but what makes it special is when it's unplanned. Hugging him from behind while he's busy, holding his hand while walking, or giving him a kiss for no reason at all. These random acts of love stay with him. The beauty of it is in the surprise. He's not expecting it, which makes it 10 times more powerful. Those little moments remind him that you're not just with him, you're genuinely into him. That reassurance is priceless. And even if he doesn't say it, he'll replay that kiss, that hug, or that touch when he's alone, smiling at how much love he feels with you. 7. Respect his vulnerability. Men are taught to hide their feelings, so when he opens up to you about his fears, his struggles, his insecurities, it's a big deal. If you respond with patience, kindness, and understanding instead of judgment, you'll make him feel more special than anyone ever has. That safe space tells him, you can be yourself with me, flaws and all. And believe me, once a man feels that comfort, he'll never want to let it go. Because most men don't get that kind of emotional acceptance anywhere else. He'll remember the way you listened, the way you didn't laugh at his struggles, and the way you encouraged him. That memory will stay with him forever. 8. Make him feel chosen every time. At the core, men want to feel like you could have anyone, but you still chose them. Remind him, not with words, but with your actions. Value his time, prioritize him, and show him that he's not just an option, he's your decision. That assurance is what makes him feel truly special. The way you look at him, the way you include him in your life, the way you show loyalty, those things build a sense of security he'll never forget. To him, that's what sets you apart from everyone else. And here's the secret. Once a man feels chosen by you, he'll do everything in his power to keep you. That's how you become unforgettable. So my beautiful people, that's how you make a man feel special. Not by doing the biggest, flashiest things, but by creating moments that touch his heart and soul. Men may not always say it, but they notice, they crave it. And when you make him feel valued, respected, and chosen, he'll never look at you the same way again. Remember, love is in the details. The small gestures, the quiet support, the unexpected affection, those are the things that make him obsessed with you. And you deserve the same energy in return. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync for more flirty, real, and deep conversations. And tell me in the comments, what's one little thing you do to make your man feel special? Let's share some secrets and spread the love.